I got recommended this cat video.
He's trying to.
Why did he just have one little claw out? That's scary.
Pierce his little baby claws into me.
O moj nikotinski zavisniče, bravo.
Is that a fucking...
Bravo, naučio si pušiti.
Get that cigarette out that cat's mouth!
Sad s njom. Tako, vrati se s cigarom, malo. Mitre, vrati cigaru.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
No, I'm evil, kitty.
Said evil kitty.
Is that a big ass lion?
I'm gonna get you.
Oh,
I'm gonna get you. Hey, girly.
what the fuck? Oh no! Oh my god, what is up with that cat?
Mimia. Mimia. Mimia.
Oh, slippery.
Man, this look pretty good, man. We'll close it.
Oh my god, that cat. Oh, Jesus!
Joey.
Wait, is that a cheese puff?
Look, right here.
Reggie, don't eat him.
What the fuck? That cat was all the way up his mouth!
Reggie, don't eat him.
Bro.
What the fuck?
We're Linda and Heather, best friends.
Oh, I can't wait to eat.
McDonald. Oh,
Duh.
cat.
That ain't no bacon, egg, and cheeseburger. That's a burnt French fry. Are you a burnt French fry? This ain't no bacon, egg, and cheeseburger. Let me just.
Cheese kitty.
콩콩 우리랑 함께 접종을 콩콩 우리 모두 다 함께 접종했어요. 끝났어요. 끝났어요.
Hey, are you dumb on purpose, Olaf?
Mm-hmm. That's me. Oh my god!
Quit it! You're driving me nuts.
My cat hates being pointed at? Oh my god. I guess that's a phenomenon for most cats. I wonder why they don't like it. But then again, I wouldn't like people pointing at me either, so... Oh my god! I like cats when I like the cat sound when they talk, like they're drunk. Cats are cute. Oh my God! Stop!
To put the finishing touches on this match.
Oh, that's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
No, I'm evil, kitty.
Said evil kitty.
What the fuck? Goodbye, cat. Gorp!
Meow. Meow. Meow.
You look
I
very
want
innocent for
Canada.
somebody who's sitting on the room temperature glazed cinnamon roll. Boy sitting on the room temperature glazed cinnamon roll. You think he appreciates that? You think the room temperature glazed cinnamon roll appreciates that?
Oh shit! What the fuck?
It's a really cold one today, though.
Try not to get scared. Scariest stories. I was peacefully enjoying my favorite show when suddenly I hear the news about Larry.
We interrupt your regular programming to bring you breaking news. Authorities are on high alert as a man identified as Larry has been on a rampage, breaking into houses and stealing penars. Residents are urged to remain inside their houses and lock all the doors and windows.
No.
Good things my house is Larry-proof, I says with relief. Little did I know that my house was only Larry-proof, not evil Larry-proof.
Oh no. Yummy. What the?
The fuck, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh?
Sweetie, what's in there? Oh,
Sweetie.
look at his little head. He's
I've seen this one. Oh my God, he gets so flat to the floor.
I don't expect that. Come here. Hi. What a good daddy. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Hey.
He ate a burger? Oh, he's trying to catch the water. And he doesn't know how.
I feel pretty sorry for the next guy who looks at me funny.
What about that guy?
Yippee! I bet it's a text from that cute girl I'm talking to,
fuck
I
are you
says as I
saying,
pick
man?
up my phone. To my utter horror, I realized
fuck?
it was just a text from James.
Oh no, it's James.
touch your penis.
I
What
fucking
the
hate my life.
fuck? God, James.
In nomine Patris et Filii.
Ew! That was cute. Thanks, recommended. I'm glad it's not all crystal videos.
I remember you were super zooted during a V-Shoujo collab a few years ago and said something about a musical about Bill Clinton.
Yeah, it is.
The Bill Clinton musical! Let's make it happen, people!
Definitely, we're gonna play this game tomorrow as well. 100%. 100%. 100 明日もこれで遊びます。It's so fun! This game is so good!
Let's make the Bill Clinton musical happen, people!
What is the lips mark? この唇何? What is the lips mark?
Lips marker?
Can I see it? Nee, pun, pun! Pun! Nee, pun!
Wait, lips marker? What is lips marker? What does that mean? What is that?
There's sushi too! Sushi 食べたい! Sushi 食べたい.
What you got to eat?
Sushi 食べたい.
It's the sex place. Oh. Wait.
Where's my sushi? There it is! Atta norimaki! I'll take it.
Does food mean
I'll
anything
take
in the
it,
game?
I'll take it.
When you eat it, or it doesn't matter? What does it do?
Yay!
Does it give you like buffs or anything? What does the food do in that game?
Hello!
Hey, you looking for some company tonight?
Sure.
Where have you found it, baby?
Baby? Why not? Why not?
Sure. Got some time to kill.
Come on, baby.
Oh, thank you. Wait, she's calling baby. I didn't...
Yeah, the Kong musical has a giant Kong puppet that works on a pulley system, with the puppeteers using their body weight to move these enormous limbs. They use light projection to emulate the thing running through the jungle of Skull Island.
That is
It's
awesome.
an impressive...
Whoa, fucking Boomy threw up. What the fuck? It's an impressive feat, but the music is sadly not as strong as a... I see. I'm sorry. The TTS blew up. Oh my god! There's full fucking in the game! Holy shit, there's fucking in this game! What the fuck? Why haven't I played this game?
No, How do I skip back?
Downworld, the musical adventure of an average Twitch TV viewer.
Listen, there was a misunderstanding.
That's a wonderful idea.
Yeah.
Got something that'll keep you wet for
Oh my
god. Thank you. ありがとうございます. Yeah. This is just, there was a huge misunderstanding. Yeah.
In the character creator, you straight up have your dick and vagina out.
Gosh.
I know. So when Cyberpunk came out, I did play. At the time, I had a shit ass computer, and the game was fucked. It was fucked. It was bad. It was when it first came out, and I remember I did a stream where I played the beginning, and I played the character creator, and I was just sitting there with the wiener for a little bit. I don't know if any of you guys have been here long enough, you remember when I did that.